How long does it take for plastic bottle to fully decompose in the natural environment? The answer is 450 years. While plastic products offer convenience to human life, they have also become a major source of global pollution. According to data from the United Nations Environment Programme, approximately 400 million tons of plastic waste are generated globally each year, with around 8 million tons entering the oceans annually from coastal countries. As a fast-growing and fully biodegradable biomass material, bamboo is emerging as an important alternative to plastic. What other possibilities can bamboo make? In Tonggu, a piece of bamboo sells for about 15 yuan, but when processed into electronic products, its value can increase to over 1,000 yuan, which is dozens of times higher than the price of the raw material.
一系列竹制电子产品，这个是一个手提式的一个音箱，这个是一个散热器，竹子的，这个是一个手机支架，竹制这个手表、计算器跟那个键盘。
将竹子加工成这样的产品，主要面临哪些技术难点呢？
这样吧，我举个例子嘛，比如就我们这个竹键盘最早也是只能做这个键盘的一个竹子的外框，通过也是一个技术的创新，以竹子为主体材料，结合电子物料进行一个精深加工、和谐的整合。我们经常参加这个一些国际展会，包括比如我们的广交会，还有俄罗斯、印度、德国的一些展会，我们产品在展会上都是深受客户的喜爱。产品现在主要销往欧美和东南亚地区，年销售额在300万美元以上。客户喜欢我们产品主要原因，也就是因为这个源于自然、低碳环保。
The Osaka Expo 2025 is currently taking place in Japan. The China Pavilion features bamboo as its main design element, highlighting the ecological wisdom of Chinese civilization through the theme of befriending bamboo. It also conveys China's philosophy of green development in a new era. The bookmark made of bamboo will show at the Expo 2025 Osaka as one of the representatives of the Jiangxi's bamboo industry. 周总，想请问一下，您这个产品它是如何凸显这种环保理念的呢？
我们现在看到这款竹书签，图案采用传统雕刻技法，与现代激光雕刻结合，先以手工勾勒轮廓，再精准地嵌入了饰帛元素，每一道纹路都有巧思，让它成为可触摸的名片，让各国友人感受到中国的绿色智慧。我们公司的环保理念的核心策略就是以竹代色，我们已经形成了多品种全竹综合利用产业链，实现一根竹子的深度开发，把竹子分成很多段，每一段可以充分利用竹子的特性制作产品。然后我们那个剩下的竹粉，它可以做成这个竹饲料，加到那个塑料里面，可以替代60%以上的塑料。
Bamboo has a strong carbon sequestration capacity, and the capacity of bamboo forests far exceeds that of ordinary forests, which is 1.33 times that of tropical rainforests. This ecological advantage is being transformed into tangible economic benefits. In 2024, Zixi Liangshan Forestry Industry Development Corporation Limited was granted a credit line of 600 million yuan to develop a project aimed at enhancing the carbon sequestration capacity of forestry through transformation and upgrade. Relevant institutions estimate that this project is expected to generate 1 billion yuan in revenue from bamboo forest carbon sequestration transactions over the next 30 years. Zixi County is not alone in its efforts. Jiangxi Province, renowned for its rich forestry resources, is making significant innovations in forestry financial services to turn its pristine landscapes into valuable assets. Along Alongside offering forestry mortgage loans, Jiangxi has established China's first provincial-level financial service platform tailored especially for forest farmers and forestry enterprises. From its lush bamboo forest to the global stage, Jiangxi vividly demonstrates the profound meaning of lossy waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets. With innovative ideas around bamboo, the province is creating great opportunities.